everyone and welcome to your Rayplicker tutorials. Today we are going to see how to link my Rayplicker Vision account to Borea Connect. Let's go! To place orders through the Rayplicker solution, you will need to link your Borea Connect account to your Rayplicker Vision account. To do so, you will need to create your Borea Connect account by logging into the borea-connect.com link or by clicking on the Access Borea Connect button. A dedicated tutorial has been created to guide you through the creation of your account. Once you have registered, click on the Borea Connect icon and enter your email address and password to link your accounts. When the dot turns green, it indicates that the connection has been completed and that you are ready to place your orders. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for listening and see you soon for new tutorials.